How to check your saved Facebook password on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and swipe down on the home screen to open Search. Type Passwords and open the Passwords app. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode to access your saved passwords. Now, use the search bar and type Facebook. If you see Facebook in the list, tap on it. You'll see the saved username and password for your Facebook account. Tap the password field to reveal the saved password. If you don't find Facebook in the Passwords app, you can also check Google Password Manager if you previously saved your Facebook password there. Open Chrome. Tap your profile icon and select Password Manager. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode to get access. Search for Facebook. Then tap the saved account to view the stored password. Keep in mind that you can only view a password if it was previously saved on your iPhone or in your Google account. And that's how you can check your saved Facebook password on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.